Hey, it's Kelly Kay, your shopping Kentuckiana with Windows Plus, Kentuckiana's #1 local bathroom remodeling company. This is the owner, Todd Ovington. Todd, it's a good time to remodel your bathroom right now.
Oh, right now is the best time to remodel your bathroom. We're helping thousands of customers in the local area, all while keeping it affordable. Right now we're offering a financing program which is 0 down, 0 payments, and 0 interest for 2 full years.
I'm not a mathematician, but I just picked up that I'm paying nothing for 2 full years.
That's right.
So Todd, what if I don't trust myself to remember in 2 years to pay for my new bathroom remodel? Do you have a monthly option?
Oh yeah, right now you can get the bathroom of your dreams for as low as $99 a month.
Now you're talking. Todd, I've always heard that remodeling a bathroom is money well spent.
Oh yeah, whether you just want to get rid of that old ugly tub or you're having mobility issues, we make sure that we're able to keep you safe, make sure your bathroom's beautiful, and we keep it affordable for you.
Yeah, 99 bucks a month, you can't go wrong. Avocado is tasty in guacamole, not in the bathroom. Todd, what if I'm not entirely confident with my design skills?
Well, a lot of our customers feel the same way. What we'll actually do for you is we'll send out a product specialist. They'll bring samples of colors and styles and hardware. And then once we are able to build the beautiful bathroom of your dreams, we'll make sure that it's affordable and is exactly what you're looking for.
Awesome. Todd, what kind of guarantee do you have?
Well, we offer a lifetime guarantee on the products that we put in your bathroom, also the installation.
So here's what you got to do. Call Windows Plus, mention that you saw me in this ad. You'll get the 60% off the installation, and you can take advantage of the 0 down, 0 payments, 0 interest for 2 full years, or $99 per month. Pretty amazing. You'll get the new bathroom of your dreams. So call Windows Plus now. He's Todd, I'm Kelly. Thanks for watching.